The second part of this introduction is where I teach you a song that you can use to learn and master the Igbo alphabet. Now, the song to use and to learn and master the Igbo alphabet is, although we have the Igbo version, A, B, C, D, F, A, G, B, H, W, H, E, G, K, K, and all that. That's the song for the Igbo alphabet. It's a song we used to we used to learn the Igbo alphabet in school, you know. But then for you, I figured if you are having to learn the Igbo alphabet with this song, you'll be having to learn a new reading and then learn alphabet, and that can be very cumbersome. So to simplify the process, because this Igbo Made easy, so to simplify the process, what I did was to take the ABCD song from English and put the Igbo alphabets to it. You already know the rhythm, so all you just have to do is flow with it, you know, and just make the sounds that you hear. Think of singing sofa notes, you know. They don't make meaning, but you just produce, you hear, you say. So that's the approach you are going to use. Remember the song A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So that song is what we're going to take and we'll put it on the Igbo alphabet. So we're going to sing it now. A, B, C, D, F, A, G. B, Y, W, H, E, A, G. K, P, Q, L, M, N, N. W, N, O, P, R, C. Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y. T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Very simply. So you can, like I said, you can always go back and listen to it again, and then you can sing along and get just the ABCD of ABCD, and you put the Igbo alphabet to it. But what I'm going to do is, in the next video, we're going to bring out the follow-up to this introduction. I'm going to make a slide presentation of this, and then I'm going to make the song in that slide. So something you can just plug and play. You plug and play, you just hear the song over and over and over again until you master it, and then you begin to sing in it. Then the other one that I'm going to follow up with that is the ABCD itself in a slide, the way we did the 250 words and phrases. So we're going to do the 36 ABD of Igbo. We'll do 36 ABD of Igbo, and then we'll just call and call and call and call and call. So in the next part of this introduction, I'm going to take you through the alphabets and enunciating the sounds more correctly.